Hi, my name is Dr. Benjamin Bieber, and I'm here to talk to you about hair restoration. If you suffer from hair thinning, I have the answer for you. I use platelet-rich plasma and A-cell. The platelet-rich plasma is obtained from your blood, and we put it in a special type of centrifuge which concentrates the platelets with many growth factors. One of the platelets increases the blood flow to the hair follicles, and what that does is that stimulates the hair follicles to grow normal, thick hair. It also brings stem cells to the area to regrow, to rejuvenate that entire area that's devoid of your hair loss. If you are interested, I would love to help you have a thick head of hair and make you feel physically and emotionally much better. If you're interested, the success rate is high, very safe. Please give me a call. Dr. Benjamin Bieber. The phone number is below.